Welcome and thanks for joining me for this fun seated cardio workout. We've got a quick workout for you today. 5 songs, about 3 moves to each song. We're working to the beat of the music. You're just going to follow along. We'll repeat the moves about 2 or 3 times for each song. Going to get a great workout, increase the heart rate. Again, working on our cardio fitness. Let's get started. We're going to walk in place. And then give me a big arm circle here to the back.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time.
One more time each side.
Right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do.
All right, 1 foot forward. Hamstring scoop here.
Never thought I wouldn't jump.
Reach forward. Close. Big reach. One more time. Let's switch sides. Try to keep your spine straight here as we scoot forward, stretching that hamstring. Okay, let's take steps out to the side and then adding arms cross.
I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time.
All right, so 4, 3, we're gonna take it into a high knee. Alternating sides, arms come out to the side, and let's tap our knee.
Never thought I wouldn't jump. Oh, what a fool.
All right, let's take it from the top, march in place, big arm circle. One more. Sky tap, reach across. And let's finish with a few more high knees. Okay, next song, take it back to that march in place. And arm this time is going to sweep across. It's like we're pushing it out of our way.
I strongly believed in the game. You really had me back where you want me. I never thought I'd fall again.
Double high knee, but with a double bicep curl.
As soon as you came,
Use your own resistance here for that bicep curl.
all that I thought would happen was clearly something you didn't feel.
All right, 2 toe taps. Out, in, 2 tap. You can always do one leg at a time on the out, in. Make it your own. Stay here a few more times. One more. Back to the beginning. March in place, arm, sweep across.
When stars are shining in the night, but I know what we have is worth fighting for, and that I won't give up without a fight.
Double high knees.
Let me know when you will think of me, a real desire. Can I feel my feet until we're dancing to this crazy beat?
Here we go. 2 toe taps to the front. Out, in, out, in.
Kissing like we were in a trance.
Back to the beginning, march, arm sweep. 4, 3, double high knees.
Kissing like we were energized.
We finish here. Okay, coming to the edge of your chair if you can. We double tap front, double tap back, single, single, in. Tap front, tap back. Single, single, in.
But nothing found. A puzzle I can't figure out. I'm running circles and I don't have a plan. I've gotten myself stuck with any
Front, back, and in. Double, double. Front, back, and in. All right, jump rope. We can just tap our heels, or you can lift up. Using that core here, lift those knees. Woo! All right, 2 side steps with a clap. So step it in, clap. All right, back to the beginning. Double, double. Front, back, and in.
feels like this cage could be my death.
Try to make this big.
I need a clue, 'cause all I have is you. I'm running circles and I don't have a plan. I've gotten myself stuck with an impossible task. Looking through my past and I'm checking the news.
Last time. Jump rope here. Keep going. All right, out in, 2 side steps. Clap. Out, in, clap. Using the hips. Speed it up. March it in place. We wait for the next song. All right, holding that march, arm reaches across and throws it down. Up, throw it down. Double kicks. Arms pushed to the front. All right, changing into alternate heels to the front. Opposite arm goes up. Reach the edge of my chair there. Bigger you make the movements, the larger range of motion, the more you're getting that heart rate up. Let's go 4, 3, back to that march. Reach, throw down. Back to our double kicks. Here we go. Heels to the front. Reach up. March it out. Here we go. The elbow kicks to the front. All right, last one here. We finish it, heels to the front. If you don't care for overhead, you can reach forward and make it your own. We just have one song after this. Hold the heels. Turn it into a march. We have 3 marches with the tap and clap. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, tap and clap. All right, next we have crossing feet in and out. Slow tempo first. We go cross, side, cross, out. Tempo, if you want to, a little quicker. Woo! 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take those legs wide. We're gonna wrap the head, push it up. Wrap the head, push it up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, wrap the head, push it up. Push away. 1, 2, 3. Again, wrap and push, wrap and push. Let's go back to the beginning. 3 marches. 1, 2, 3, and tap. Almost there, you guys. All right, get ready for our crisscrosses. Out, cross, out, and cross. Alternate which foot goes in front. Tempo. 4, 3, march it out. All right, one more time. We go wide, wrap the head, push it up. 1, 2, push away, wrap and push. Reach, 2, 3, hold that reach for a quick cool down, and reach it up and over. Stay with me just for a couple minutes to lower that heart rate, and reach over. And down. Arms come in front, crisscross, open up the chest. Again, forward and back one more time. Arms out to the side, let's toe heel back in. Arms come to the top, climb that ladder, lengthen the spine. If you're ready for more, want to get some strength training in, I will link my other companion video to this one. We have a 10 move for full body strength, also in the chair. So check that out after this video. Roll the shoulders down and back. For 4, 3, 2, and 1. Extend the leg, give me a couple ankle circles. And reverse. And flex the foot, pull the toe back towards you. And lower back down, other side. We lift, ankle circles. Quick shout out to UFOS who have supplied my footwear today. Incredible shoes that reduce the shock. They have great shock absorption, and I love how they support my arch. You can find information for the shoes in the description box below or in YouTube shopping, clicking the little icon. They are incredible shoes that, again, reduce extra shock absorptions, which is great, easier on our feet and our joints. Inhale and exhale down. As always, thank you for working out with me, and I'll see you next time.